So you already have a will, but life has changed. Maybe you bought a condo in Brickell, welcomed a grandchild, or had a falling out with someone named in your documents. Do you need to rewrite the entire will? Not necessarily. In Miami, Florida, you can use what's called a codicil. A codicil is a legal document that amends your existing will without replacing it. You can change a beneficiary, update your personal representative, or adjust a specific gift, all while keeping the rest of your will intact. But here's what many people get wrong. Under Florida law, a codicil must be executed with the exact same formalities as a will. That means it has to be signed by you in the presence of two witnesses, who also sign in your presence and in the presence of each other. A handwritten note stapled to your will does not count, and it can actually create confusion and litigation for your family later. Also, if you have multiple changes, a fresh will is often cleaner than stacking codicils on top of each other. If your will no longer reflects your life, reach out to my office today, and let's get your documents updated the right way.